Yo, what's up? How's everyone doing, my guys? Today's gonna be a fun little video, and let's cut straight to the chase. We got in these big boxes right here with the new wheels for the S2000. Woo! So he's got these in straight from Idle Boost at IG. Shout out to him. Double boxed. So we got one box here. Says 2 of the wheels in, and then one of them already open right here. And let's cut straight to the chase here. Let's check out the sizing. Bam, these are what we call the dream spec. For all you S2000 lovers out there, you guys know 17 by 9.5 plus 45. This is the spec right here. I wanted the evasive OGs, but those are pretty much impossible to find. But these are actually a little bit better, higher offset, but they're SLs, not OGs, but same face. And then let's get straight into the wheels here, you guys. Had to do it, you know. Impossible to find this spec for the S. Woo! Man, brand new, champ white. Face just looks so good. 17 by 9.5 plus 45, concave face. Bam, brand new. Super laps. Yeah, let's take a. What else we got? So we got one wheel in there. It also comes with the red spoke stickers that you put on here. I am not gonna add that on. I just don't like the way that looks, especially on a blue car. So we're just gonna rock it plain face with the little SL sticker. It'll sort of nice complement to the red Brembos I have on there. Alright, and last but not least, at the bottom of the box are valve stems. Let's see, here we go. It comes with red valve stems. It's part of like the SL thing, so the white SLs are always going to come with the red valve stems, the red stickers. Yeah, I personally would have wanted black, but I mean, we'll rock with it. Alright, you guys, so we're here test fitting the TEs. 17 by 9.5 plus 45. It's supposed to be only for stock brakes on the S, and because I have the Brembo BBK, in theory I'm supposed to be needing like a 5mm spacer. So we went ahead, got the TE on, but nice little surprise going on. TE's on, and as you guys can see, it's not hitting at all. If I do that, it doesn't hit the Brembo at all, which is kind of shocking. There's like a good 2mm or like a good 2 centimeters in there, like a centimeter or 2 of room between the spoke and the brake. So boom. Everyone was saying on this you need some sort of BBK. I mean some sort of, what's it called, spacer, otherwise it'll hit the BBK, but nope. It's because it's the 45, and generally like with the evasive TEs, they're a 41, so that if I had it a 5mm, it would change the offset to the 41, like the OG evasive spec, and it should be able to clear. But I'm running into no clearance issues at all. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day. As you guys can see, I got the TEs mounted with the Ventus V12s, the 255s from my Avans. S behind me, up in the air. So let's cut to the chase. Let's get into what you guys want to see. Let's put these wheels on the car, drop it, and then show you guys some pictures, our video of the car on the new wheels, man. Alright, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I mean, CR build complete. This is all I'm gonna do, you guys. Olin's on this TEs, champ white. I mean, car's looking, nothing else to do. That's why I wanted a CR, you know. I didn't want to have to get into my bag and do a bunch of mods as I usually do, front bumper, all that stuff, wing. Just gonna leave the car stock on the TEs, and then the car's looking, man, I mean, you guys see it, you guys see it. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace out.